A few inches later.
So, hi! We're going home. Manyaga kami. Kami. Sila. Lunchtime. So, it's 12:30, I think. Yes. So, it's time for them to have their lunch. And then rest for an hour. And then they will go back to work. To planting rice. I've never asked. I never asked how much a day. How much a day for planting. So, so lunch by the stream. Charot. Oo, amo ning reception. This is how they do it. Let's eat kaun.
1 hour later.
Hmm? Si Tuni? I saw someone. Chicks. Kapananom chicks. Dali ka to anta. They're going uphill because they're finished planting here. So, yeah. Uphill, uphill. So that's it for our vlog 6.1. Okay, this is just a short video because we're not able to uh, film the whole or the rest of the day of planting because it started raining and me and my cousin have to go home. So, but the farmers, of course, rain or shine, keep on planting. So, yes, let's give them a respect, and of course, they play an important role in our economy, especially in the Philippines. Hambal gani nila, hindi mabusog ang isa ka Pinoy kung wala sang kanon sa lamesa, 'di ba? So, yeah. So, I will do the shout out now because we have another batch of members of our family here. Hello, and thank you very much for subscribing. And yes, I want to say thank you for my best friend. Yes, bago ko lang siya gin-mention, subong lang kid. Kay, syempre, inuna ko pang mga iban niya mga members sa aton niya pamilya. Hello, Dashi. Hello, Beauty, Venice. She's working in Iloilo City. Salamat sa pagsuporta. I want to say also thank you and hello to Nico Zaldivar from where in abroad? Because he's working also abroad. I forgot where. But salamat sa paglantaw, Nix. And padayon lang. Kag, don't be late again. sa work because he watched my vlog and didn't notice the time kag na-late siya sa iya nga trabaho. So, you can watch it also in your vacant time, not in your working time. And hello to my sister-in-law or slash tita, Mananje. Thank you so much also for watching, and she's working in Hong Kong. Halong Perme, I miss you so much and hope to see you soon. And I want to say hello also, thank you for subscribing to Bon Ayan Lumahan. He is my classmate before in ROTC, pero hindi ko na nalipat ako sa hindi ko na I would say na hindi ko nakuha ang iyang pangalan because ano lang ako, kilala ko lang ikaw kung magkita taka. But for those who know me and saw me anywhere, maybe in a mall, in the street, just tap on my shoulder and say hello. It will not hurt you. It's not your fault that I don't recognize you. It's me. It's my strainer brain. Because it's hard for me to remember the name or the face sometimes. Okay? So, yes. And special mention to my friend Charlie, or Charlie, ginbunyagan. To Charles from London, thank you so much for motivating me to do my next vlog because he's always pressured me like, where's the vlog number this and when will you upload another vlog? So yes, thank you very much. And to my friend also, Vince from Igbaras, hello, Salamat, and halong kapemi. And well, I want to say thank you very much for this special person, Jerry from Illinois, USA. Thank you very much for helping me, for the love, for the care. Thank you very much. And also to Mel, thank you. And yes, I think that's it. That's a wrap up of our vlog. So yes, also I want to say I will leave my Facebook account in the description box below. Please read and how to reach me because YouTube don't notify me for my new subscribers. So out of 59 I got only 23. So please let me know. Just there, down there. You can read it and add me in Facebook, and of course I will accept your request, friend request, and I'll try my best. And message me in my messenger, please, because I really out of 59 members of our family, I was able to record only the 23 people. So yes, let me know. So that's it for the vlog and for this vlog I mean, and see you on my next vlog. Oh, I forgot, my cousin also wanted to make her YouTube channel. I will keep you updated if she posted a video. It's about physical fitness. So yes, let's support her and let's get fit, and yes, I will keep you updated for my next vlog. So see you. Bye.